Welcome to Kylin Machine, your expert in post-press solutions. Today, we are introducing our advanced plotter cutting machine. Also known as a digital flatbed die cutter, it eliminates the need for expensive die molds. This machine comes equipped with a powerful vacuum pump to hold your materials perfectly flat and secure. It features a precision laser light location system for accurately reading printing marks on your sheets. Equipped with versatile tools including a pen, a cutting knife, and a creasing wheel. It can effortlessly draw, pull, create dotted lines, as well as perform half cuts and whole cuts. It is fully capable of cutting card paper, stickers, and PVC up to 2 mm in thickness. Ideal for short-run packaging prototypes and custom label production with zero tooling delays. Please note, the system operates via standard software, but a local computer is not included. You will need to provide your own PC to run the machine. Upgrade your printing workflow with Kylin Machine today.